Hi, my name is Jimena López Pérez and this is my Producto Integrador de Aprendizaje. The topic that I'm going to be talking about and giving an example so we can get to a better conclusion is 5S in quality management.
5S helps as a simple step-by-step methodology to ensure workspaces and resources are arranged and maintained in an orderly manner, thereby enhancing productivity and reducing waste. For example, when we want to do a task and we can find the notebook because the whole place is messy, it is very exhausting and frustrating when we can find what we want at the time we need it. What we need to do is just put everything in its place. However, in our environment, we cannot function in a cultured way. It increases waste, reduces productivity, impacts delivery, and above all, leads to customer dissatisfaction. Now, the step 1 is sort. Eliminate whatever is not needed by separating needed tools, parts, and instructions from unneeded material. The step 2 is straighten or set in order. It's basically reorganize the workplace after eliminating unnecessary tools and equipment. Here, the practitioner follows the simple philosophy of a place for everything and everything in its place. Step 3, shine. In this step, the practitioner ensures that the equipment and tools are tidy and they can be really used by another staff members. For example, talking about the information sector, then the practitioner has the responsibility to delete all the irrelevant files and folders and clean the file system. In simple words, this concept focuses on tidiness and cleanliness at the workplace. The step 4 is to standardize. The practitioner can combine similar work activities in their facility and allow a workspace for the particular process in the work facility. The last step is the sustain. It is basically ensure that tools, equipment, and resources are in neat and tidy condition and they are placed where they are meant to be. Now, an example to understand and that helps me to understand better is on a messy office. The first thing we will have to get rid of is what we don't need. Then we will have to order and put everything in its place. What goes on the desk, what goes on the shelf, and so on. The next step is the cleaning. We will have to give to each one what is to be cleaned. The penultimate step will be that in a clean environment, the responsible, we will have to review and see what can be improved. And the final step will be to do things as they should be done, through training for the practice of these concepts in order to end the bad habits. This was just a simple example, but it can be applied to large companies and also can be applied in any industry, manufacturing, service, healthcare, public or private sector. All this to offer more space, better image, teamwork, and greater commitment and responsibility in the tasks.
Now here's another example. We can see how it was before implementing the 5S system and after implementing the 5S system. As we can see, after implementing the 5S system is clean, is well organized, and that will help us to reduce waste and optimize productivity.